Welcome back everybody. So I've got a piece of wood on the lathe here and we're just going to start turning it around. We're going to start turning it around with the mid-size finisher from Easy Wood Tools. This piece of wood started off wanting to be something, but things happened and it didn't go quite to plan, so it ended up being a Tealight holder. So I'm gonna put a little challenge out there for everybody to see if they can guess at what point of the video I decided it was going to be a Tealight holder. I will let everybody know at the end, but leave a comment down in the comment section as to what time you think, and I will let you know at the end if you're right. So we're going into the detailer here just to mark out the tenon. Just taking off the little bit of excess and leaving a little bit of a nubbin. Keep the tailstock up for support. And removing a bit more material there with the finisher. And as you can see, we got some blowout on the corners. Yep, design change. Alright, let's get the lathe back on and let's take off them corners. And getting it down to the final shape. There's the detailer just to shape the bottom. Okay, a little bit of sanding here with some clean spore abrasives. This is the 240 grit. The methylated spirits or denatured alcohol just to clear it out of the chlorine. Just protect the jaws and the chuck now. Alright, and now we're going to spray that piece of wood black. Alright, there's some iridescent paints there from Sonja, the green and the violet. So we have a piece of wood on the bed of the lathe to protect that, and I've got a brush to protect me for the first colour anyway. And now it's about to start getting messy. I'll get it all over my t-shirt. And here's the violet. There we go. Alright, got the detailer here, just take that little nubbin off the bottom. And the rougher, to flatten it off and to undercut it a little bit, just so it sits flat on the table. There we go. There we go, some clear gloss lacquer from Hampshire Sheen. If anybody's interested in any Hampshire Sheen products, there will be a link down in the description. Alright, so now we are drilling out for the Tealight holder. Checking the fit. And I'm going to flatten the top off now with the mid-size rougher. And we're going to make a little recess here now for the rim of the Tealight holder. Or the insert, I should say. Alright, so we're going to do a bit of sanding here with 120 grit to start off with. Then we're going to swap out to 240. Bit of compressed air. And this is where we realise it's not deep enough. So we're going to go back in and drill a little bit deeper. There we go. Okay, we're just going to spray the top now just so that matches the rest. Okay, please let that dry. And go over that with some clear gloss lacquer as well. If anybody was wondering, the time was about 5 minutes in as I was taking that little nubbin off. Thank you everyone for watching. Until next week, I shall see you later. Bye bye for now.